Hi friends, I'm CA Balaji. In this video, we will discuss about composition levy. I've made this video in question and answer type for better understanding. Let's discuss. Section 10 of CGST Act defines composition levy. Let's start our question and answer. What is composition scheme? A registered person whose aggregate turnover in the preceding financial year did not exceed Rs 1.5 crores shall pay a concessional fixed rate instead of actual rate applicable. What are the concessional rate available under this scheme? In case of manufacturer, it is 1%. In case of food restaurant services, it is 5%. In case of other suppliers, it is 1%. It is to be noted that in case of manufacturers, the rate has been reduced from 2% to 1% by notification number 1/2018 dated 23/1/2018. What is the exception for the turnover limit of Rs 1.5 crore? There is an exception to the turnover limit. For 8 special category state, it is 75 lakhs instead of 1.5 crores. The special category states namely Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura. Next. What is meant by aggregate turnover? The methodology to compute the aggregate turnover is given in section 2 subsection 6 of the CGST Act. Aggregate turnover means value of all taxable supplies, exempt supplies, export of goods or services or both, or interstate supplies of a person having same PAN number. It excludes the value of inward supplies of which tax is payable by a person on reverse charge basis. It excludes CGST, SGST, UTGST, IGST and cess. It also excludes the value of interest income by way of extending deposit where such interest or discount is exempted under GST. It also excludes the any exempt services. What happens if a taxable person who has opted to pay taxes under the composition scheme crosses the threshold limit of 1.5 crores during the year? In such cases, from the day the taxable person crosses the threshold, the permission granted earlier is deemed to be stand withdrawn and he shall be liable to pay taxes under regular scheme from such date. All restaurant services are included under composition scheme. No, a person supplying restaurant services along with the supply of any exempt services shall not be liable for composition scheme under section 10 of CGST Act. Example, restaurant serving alcohol for human consumption. It can't avail this scheme. Can I avail this scheme in the middle of the financial year? No, you can't avail this scheme from the middle of the financial year. It should be always from the beginning of the financial year, and also it is to be noted that it needs to be intimated within 60 days of the commencement of the financial year. But if the taxable person is obtaining new registration, he can do so from the date of the registration. Will a taxable person be eligible to opt for composition scheme only for 1 out of 3 branches duly registered? No, the composition scheme would become applicable for all the business verticals registration which are separately held by the person with the same PAN. What are the conditions for switching over to composition scheme? The person should intimate before the commencement of the financial year, and also the registered person must not be in a possession of stock of goods which he purchased from unregistered supplier. If he is doing so, he should pay the tax pertaining to that. And also the same should be listed while switching over the composition scheme. What are the conditions and restrictions imposed under Rule 5 of the composition levy? the taxable person, neither a casual taxable person or a non-resident taxable person. The goods held as a stock does not purchased from unregistered supplier. If yes, taxes to be paid on RCM. You shall pay tax on RCM on inward supply of goods or services. Section 9(3) and Section 9(4) of the CGST Act. He was not engaged in the manufacture of goods as notified under Section 10, subsection 2(e) of the CGST Act. It specifies ice cream and other edible ice, whether or not it is containing cocoa, pan masala, and all the products relating to tobacco. Overall not eligible to opt for the compensation scheme under Section 10, subsection 2. The supplier of service other than restaurant services, supplier of goods not leviable to tax, supplier of interstate outward supplier of goods, the person supplying through e-com platform, persons dealing with manufacture of goods referred under Section 10, subsection 2(e) as above. Ice cream, pan masala and tobacco. A person carrying supply of goods along with the services other than restaurant services, is he eligible for the compensation scheme? Yes, provided he carries the supply of other services marginally. Second proviso to Section 10, subsection 1 says. Also, it is only allowed for services other than restaurant services. So, what is the value a person can supply along with the supply of goods or supply of restaurant services? The value should be 10% of the turnover in a state or union territory in the preceding financial year, or rupees 5 lakhs, whichever is higher. What are the conditions imposed on supplier who opts for the composition levy? Every notice or signboard in every registered place of business displayed at the prominent place shall carry the word composition taxable person. Every bill of supply issued by the composition supplier shall carry the declaration composition taxable person not eligible to collect tax on supplies on the top of the bill. RCM on inward supplies, not entitled to collect tax, not entitled to claim credit of taxes paid. In other words, the credit of tax is not available. A composition supplier shall not be entitled to issue any tax invoice. However, to effect the supplies of goods or services, the supplier will have to issue bill of supply without indicating any tax amount on it. Question 13. Can the customer who buys from a taxable person who is under the composition scheme claim composition tax as input tax credit? No. The customer who buys goods from taxable person who is under the composition scheme is not eligible for the composition input tax credit. In other words, both the supplier and the buyer is not eligible for input tax credit. What are the penal consequences if a taxable person is not eligible for the payment under the composition scheme? Taxable person who is not eligible for the said scheme could be imposed penalty as determined under Section 73 or Section 74 of the CGST Act. With this, we have come to the conclusion of our discussion about composition levy. We will discuss more about charge of GST in the next video. Thank you. You can reach me out at cabalajij@gmail.com. You can visit my blog onetaxpointindia.blogspot.com.